Hello everyone there. This session is actually because of one comment that came uh, on my personal forum, on my personal platform by one person called Rachel from Australia. She said, you did that 200 numbers, multiplying numbers close to 20, 200, 2000. So I memorized it, I learned how to do it, but I don't really understand why it works. So this session is to explain to you why it works, okay? So the answer to that actually lies in the algebra that we do in school when we take x plus a and multiply it with x plus b. So we take x and multiply it with x plus b, then take the plus a and multiply it with x plus b. So it becomes x square plus x into b, which can be written as bx also, plus ax plus ab. Now in these three terms of the expression, x is common. So I have taken x common and opened a bracket, x plus b plus a plus ab. Okay, once you have understood this, if I have a 202 multiplied by 203, so it is what? 200 plus 2 multiplied by 200 plus 3. Okay, so this is 200 plus 2 into 200 plus 3. So going by the same step, when we come to the end of this, what we have is this x is 200 and a is 2 and b is 3. So my 200 is here multiplied by 200 plus b, that's 3 plus 2. So if I see it from this side, I can write it as a plus b or b plus a. That's the reason why whether I take it in this direction or this direction, it works. And a into b is 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so this is 200 into 200 plus 3 plus 2. I can write this as 200 into 202 plus 3 or 203 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, so now when we were doing the problem yesterday, 202 multiplied by 203. So what were we doing? This 202 gets added to this 3, which is the deviation of this. That is our B. So her 202 plus 3 became 205. If you see this, you will understand why we did that. Okay, and multiplied by, and here we drew a line and said 2 into 3 is 6. And I told you you have to fill two spaces because we have a 200 here having two zeros. Actually this 200 is 2 multiplied by 100. So by putting these two zeros, what I have done is I have multiplied 205 with 100. Now all that is remaining is the 2. Okay, so I multiply it with 2. So 2 20 times becomes 40, 2 5 times is 10. And this is 0, 6. This carryover comes here and it becomes 41, 0, 0, 6. So 202 plus 3 is also 205, 203 plus 2 is also 205. So whether I take 202 plus 3 or 203 plus 2, that is why it works both ways. Okay, and drawing a line and putting two digits is like multiplying it with 100. So I'll just clarify it more. 205 multiplied by 100. Okay, if I put this 06 down here, then it will become 20,500. And when I add it, it becomes 06. And multiplying with 2 is this multiplicand. Okay, here, this one. This 100 has already been multiplied. So it becomes 41,006. Okay, in the same manner, if I take, say, 204 multiplied by 203, it becomes 204 plus 3 that's 207, and 4 3 times 12. Now one more thing, we are multiplying only this part by 2. The reason is here. Okay, this AB is not getting multiplied by 2. Okay, this 6 is not getting multiplied by 2. So we are not multiplying this part of the expression by 2, only this part. Okay, so now 4 3 times is 12. Already 2 digits have been filled up. Okay, so multiplied by 2. So 220 times 40 and 14 coming, so 41, 4, 1, 2. So that is your answer for this. Okay, now going by the same logic, if I were multiplying, say 302 multiplied by 303. Okay, so say 302 multiplied by 303, or say 401 multiplied by 403. Now I'm sure you must have guessed it that this time we are not going to multiply by 2 because this will become 300. So 300 is the base, 2 more here, 3 more here. So 302 plus 3, that's 305. And 2 3 times 6, because of this 100 that is there. And multiply this by 3, it becomes 91506. Okay, the same applies for 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, any expression or any number. So plus 1 plus 3. So 401 plus 3, 404. 404 when made 4 times will become 404 multiplied by 4. That will become 1616. And 1 3 times, not just 3 but a 0 3. So it becomes 161603. So again 5 you will multiply by 5, 6 you will multiply by 6. Hope it's clear why it works, and I'll come again with another how it works in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.